Na iya pi kuble Shibon Shillong. Okay. Yes guys, I'm really so happy to tell you that I met the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya. I'm really so happy guys. And what made me more happier is like, oh my gosh. You know, whenever I think of meeting like Chief Minister or Minister of the State, I usually think like it's something that will be really very hard. And this is what I can say about Meghalayan, like the people guys. They are really so simple, so kind. Like I didn't expect even him to accept my request to have a photo with him guys. So I came here to meet my friend who are organizing the event, and meanwhile plus their help they made me to meet the Chief Minister. They are also having meeting behind there, you can see them guys. I'll make you to get to know them later guys. I'm just so happy guys. Just know Meghalayan, you are so beautiful people, so amazing people, kind, lovely and so simple guys. See, no matter the position he is, he was also so okay to have time with me guys. I'm really so happy. Thank you so much sir, God bless you. I really love Meghalaya guys. I love everything. It's not only about the beauty, it's not only about the place, but I just came to know that the people, they are so amazing. And this video just to let you know that I'm happy that I met the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and my reaction or my perspective of meeting such honored or such big people has been changed in Meghalaya guys. And make sure to stay tuned, check my channel, stay tuned guys, because I'm gonna share a separate video speaking on what do I think of Meghalaya, or because I have been here for 20 days guys. I'm gonna make one video explaining about everything, why Meghalaya is different or unique, or what do I think of Meghalaya. Because I came here, I met a lot of people, families, friends, and I attended a lot of their local festival like Non-Creme Festival, Cherry Blossom Festival guys, and it is a big experience for me. And I also visit most of their tourist spot here, like there is that a lot of cave waterfalls. There is one famous waterfalls also, they call it Kanika Fall, something like that. Yeah, I also visit guys, and I went to Sora. Yeah, it is really amazing guys. Just I love you guys. I love you guys. You really have a powerful people and people with humbleness. So your people are so humble, so kind and so lovely. Na iya pi Meghalaya love from Africa. Make sure to subscribe guys. There's a lot of vlog going already recorded. Just stay tuned so that you'll be watching it guys. I'll show you my friend. Stay tuned. So get to know my friend one by one. Say hi. This is
Hello.
Yeah.
My name.
Yeah.
Myself Dami Chwadar.
Okay.
And
here
Banshan.
Panchat.
Gasa.
Okay.
DJ Ryan.
DJ Ryan.
Nongme.
And Ricky.
And our Eric Show, the videographer. So actually guys, I came to meet them. There is one event gonna take place by the name ML72 Rising Society. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be one of the biggest event out here. Because of them, I get to meet the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, which is really something great. I'm really so happy to meet all of you guys. So I just want to say thank you, and I'm happy to meet you guys. Just say hi to them. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Yeah, and make sure guys, make sure to come. This event will take place where?
On the 30th
30th of November. In which place?
Wajar.
Wajar. Tell them guys, tell them.
Please come 30th of November at Wajar.
Wajar guys. Make sure to attend. You will find your most comedian Marangba is there, and Johnny on Mon Me. You know the guys behind. I like Johnny on Mon Me song is called. They have that song of drinking. Shipek Harpek. Come guys, you will find Shipek and Harpek, and also DJ Ryan will be entertaining you guys out here. It's my favorite DJ and best friend out here guys. You have one Links band?
Yes.
It's from which place?
Jowai.
Only. It's my first time to hear of him. But anyway guys, wishing you all the best. See you all there. Na iya pi kuble Shibon Shillong. Okay.